XRP, as of the recording this video, down about 6+%. The overall market down dramatically. The move down right here, 4.73%. I'm going to give you the reason why. I'll cut to the chase. This is not a systemic XRP scenario. It's not something specifically that's going on with XRP. We had a massive sell-off in Bitcoin in the last 36 hours. I'm going to give you the exact number here in a minute, and as well as some things that happened in Europe that preceded this that have pushed the entire crypto market down dramatically. In fact, way more aggressive than I think really that should be. But you can see Bitcoin down 4%, Ethereum down 5.7. You can see Bitcoin's been as low today as 28.9, so even losing that $29,000 mark. So same thing happening with XRP, moving down almost 6% as of the recording of this video. And you can see in the last 24 hours, XRP's right now been at low as 48 cents. So it's right there on the lower end of that 24-hour scale. So as I mentioned, this is not a specific XRP issue. Nothing new going on with the SEC lawsuit here in the United States or anything like that. This is a systemic issue that happened on Wednesday evening, whereas a sudden massive Bitcoin sell-off and the CPI, the Consumer Price Index report for Europe, coming in hotter than expected, pushed the overall market. So here it is right here in red. The sell-off didn't appear to stem from any fundamental reason immediately. An unusually large sell order of crypto exchange Binance, an unexpectedly high UK March inflation figure, more than 10%, have influenced the market segment. Okay, now let me show you this real quickly. Right here, there was $467 million worth of Bitcoin sold over on Binance, just immediately dumped. By the way, it was 16,000 Bitcoin that worth 467 million that pushed all this, that pushed all this out. Right here, quote, 16,000 Bitcoin as usual size, be market sold solely from Binance spot. Usually the kind sale happens before bad news comes out. So you see kind of everybody running for the doors thinking there's a fire coming, all that kind of thing, all that kind of scenario. Oh, by the way, that coupled with a hotter than expected UK Consumer Price Index report, which is the inflation report, has weighed heavy over crypto. Okay, so that's what's going on. This is not a specific XRP issue. It's nothing bad going on in Ripple. This is something that's kind of systemic across the market and what's happening across the market. So this happened, depending on when you're watching this video, that happened on Wednesday evening European time, and just kind of proliferated in the last 24 to 36 hours. This has been a thing. This is the reason for XRP moving down, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the major blue chips moving down dramatically, causing pretty much a red day. But hey, I'll remind you of something. It's the red days where you step in and you lock in 6, 7, 8+% additional profit. Because ask yourself this question: do you think XRP is going to come back? Do you think Bitcoin is going to come back and go back up? Yes or no? You know the answer to that. As always, thanks for your support. I'll see you. Go make some money. Take care.